All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how I generated 6 million views organically for one of my clients on social media within a 48-hour period, basically just by picking the best clip from his podcast and having the right title and keyword and pushing it out to his online fans. Most of our videos get anywhere between 15,000 to 50,000 views. This one broke 6 million, and I just kind of figured out why. And it's repeatable now, and I have the blueprint, and I wanted to just kind of share it with you. My name is Jason Siegel, owner of JLS Video Agency here in Los Angeles. I have a team of full-time video editors and producers that work for me, and we work on podcasts and social media content for our clients around the world. All right, so just to show that I am not lying to you, this is the YouTube page of Heal Thyself for the content creator, Dr. Christian Gonzalez. I just wanted to kind of go in and show and prove the fact that, yeah, this is us. I work with him. He's one of my clients. Here's our frame IO. These are the videos that we are posting. This is the one that went viral here. Why you should freeze your bread.
If you take bread and you freeze it, and then you take a slice and toast it, that bread is 10 times healthier than it was before you froze it.
So that's the clip. And look, when I first watched it, I was like, great, this is just another good podcast clip. We pull podcast clips for our client every week. We post them on his Instagram account. And this one just gained a lot of traction. Obviously, it's at 6 million views right now. It's only been alive for a couple of days. It's probably going to keep growing from there. But I've identified, I think, what worked really well about it and what is replicatable that we can do, and also that's something that you can do. So, I mean, first off, if you go to his channel, for Dr. G's Instagram channel, you can see that recently we've been performing pretty well with our podcast sizzle clips. We've hit 100K pretty consistently on the last few clips, 50K on one of them. And the biggest change that we made is we're adding a visual hook now to our short form content, so that when people click on what's a visual hook, it's just like the little title, why you should freeze your bread, how to stop phone addiction, whatever it is, some kind of catchy, hooky title that you put in the middle of the video that people watch it and they start watching it, and they don't have to wait, because your eyes are faster than your ears. So you can read delivery of the video and you don't have to wait to hear what they're going to say. And then it piques your curiosity so that you want to stay and actually learn more. So that's probably the biggest thing, is adding a really nice visual hook to the beginning of your videos and then have it disappear within like 3 to 5 seconds. But then there's like another aspect to it too, which is picking the right clips from your sound bites, from your long form. So first of all, why are we even doing long form? Why aren't we just shooting short form content? Well, shooting short form content is kind of expensive. You have to sit down and produce individual short videos and chop them up and be really intentional about it. Most content creators do better if you just do long form content. You just talk and talk and talk, and you pull out great little sound bites from that. Problem is then you have to create a hook. So that's why we add the visual hook. And then we create 20 assets from one podcast. Then we pick the best ones that we think are going to perform the best, and we post those. How do you pick the best sound bites? That's what I'm trying to get to. That's probably the most important thing, is how to pick the best ones. What I found, particularly in the health and wellness niche, and I think this can apply to other niches as well, but for us, is a counterintuitive fact that you hear and you think, how can that be true? And then you watch the video, you're like, okay, so that seems legit. Because what it does is it triggers the person watching it to say, I need to share this with my friend. This is such a crazy thing. I can't believe this is real. I have to prove it I have to send it to somebody else right away. And then when the algorithm sees that it's being shared to other people, it picks it up and it pushes it more. And that's how you end up with 6 million views in a clip in a few days, instead of some other videos that get 10,000 views on the same channel, but that are equally well produced. It's like, what is a high quality video? Like, I'm shooting this on my MacBook on the iPhoto booth. It's like, it looks like shit, but like, it's a high quality video because I'm delivering unique value proposition that's counterintuitive. It's like, that's what we should be focusing on in 2025, not increasing the quality of our content technically, but the quality of our creative content. So how do you go about getting better clips in your long form recordings or your short form if you try and do that? I think it comes down to asking good questions and prompting the guests or yourself with some research ahead of time. For example, we try, in every podcast we do, we try and get counterintuitive health and wellness tips from our guests. Things that at first wouldn't seem to make sense on the surface, but then as you dig deeper, it actually is like a crazy mind-blowing fact. Because again, that piques the curiosity to be sent to other people. So yeah, I would just double down on curiosity and piquing people's interest with the visual hook, but also with the delivery of the video content. It should be something so novel that they are going like, wow, I have to share that with my friends and family to prove that I have this secret piece of content and I have to share it with you because I know the truth. Like I have a unique piece of nugget. That's what will lead to more likely sharing from those people if they watch this video and they say, I have to share it with somebody. So if you want more videos like this on how to grow your video business and how to deliver great videos to your clients, check out the other videos on my page, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Goodbye.